Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content. Good morning guys, it's pouring concrete day and I'm out early this morning before the guys come down and meet me, and just down at Travis Perkins pick up some rebar so we can put some pegs in for our concrete. So show you what I'm going to be using today. So here's our rebar. This is 12mm, which is what I'm going to be using. These come in like 3 meter lengths, so I'll probably take about 5 of these. I think I'm going to cut them down to 1 meter lengths, and then we'll just sort of peg them down into our concrete, and we will use those to get our levels for our concrete, and also gives a little bit of strength, I guess, to the concrete. Can't harm. So yeah, I'm going to pick up 5 of these and then head up, pick the guys up, and then our concrete should be coming at 10 o'clock ready to pour. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe, give us a comment below, and yeah, we'll see you later on.
Concrete man is here. Just in time. Literally just about to put the stake in here for this concrete pad, and he just turned up. So also he's got a long chute that can reach here, so that's going to help us with a lot of the concrete. So happy days. We will have to barrow it round to the back here, but at least the two big ones, we can just get that straight in there, and then we can fit it straight into the barrow, dump it there.
Going on here. I rarely use these. Just, I don't know which ones go where. Sometimes they go on sequence. There we go.
we do is we level these to the pegs. I'm hitting a peg right here, somewhere around here, I think. It's here somewhere. Where is it? There we go. So we got one right here. Another one here. Just about see it here. One here. Alright. How much do I owe you?
Too much.
Oh, 8 you said, or 8 something, innit?
That's your ticket then, mate. 8.6 you bought. Yeah, Christmas Sunday.
No wages this Friday. No. It's all gone.
It's gone a bit low. Someone undermeasured. And just below as well, just
innit? The holes in that.
Yeah.
You know?
Just sign up for that as well.
Yeah.
Lovely stuff.
They got my details in it. So
Yeah, mate, yeah, I think they bow you up, I'm not too sure.
Is it?
I'll give you the ticket and it's done for me.
That's one, yeah. Thanks,
Nice
man.
one.
See ya.
Cheers, buddy.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Take it easy.
Hide the address. Come and see how much that costs. That's the price for the concrete, yeah? Concrete came out at 8.6 cubic meters. So that's roughly what you expect to pay. Or £1,350, so very expensive. Everything's gone up. Hi guys, so our concrete is poured. I'm very happy, man. It's all nice and level, nice and flat, ready for our foundation blocks to go in. So yeah, let's have a look and see what we did. So here's our trench starting on this side of the house. This is the first L, running across here, running up to here. We did have a little bit of a mishap with our sheathing here. Just couldn't take the strength, didn't put enough supports, so we had some concrete going there. We just started cleaning it out around the pipe, which is fine. At least it's backfilled it below the pipe for us anyway, so that's a result as well in itself. We've got one concrete pad here, which is that pad here, and then we've got this section of foundation which goes underneath the board, comes back up here and then fills up that pad here. And we've also got this pad here, and that's it all done. What we do is give it a light broom, just to make it nice and flat and smooth, and give it a couple of grooves as well for our bricks, and then we're good to go. Alright guys, so that's it for today. So we're going to shoot off. I need to go and try and sort out the steel from the guy for this. I've taken my measurements. I've already ordered all my blocks and bricks and stuff like that. Sand, cement, all that's coming on Monday. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully we'll be back here on Monday and we can start laying some bricks. So hope you guys have a great weekend. I will see you soon. Take care.